Las Hermanas is an organization that we started recently at Arlington.
A safe group for Latina students to come and see powerful Latinas like their teachers and students.
We talked about our problems, our struggles. We tried to support the girls who don't speak the language.
I like about it because not a lot of girls are shy about telling their stories. If they're struggling in school, we help each other out.
It's really awesome how we participate, we talked, and I really like being there.
The girls seem to really appreciate sort of this space where they can come in and they can have a voice and they get to hear about things that pertain to them.
Usually these young ladies, like if they stayed in their home when they come from Central America or South America, college isn't an option. So them coming here and being exposed to that is very good.
This is our 9th annual commemoration or celebration of LEAD, Latino Education Advocacy Days.
So the conference is for Viva la Mujer, so basically the unity, the courage and perseverance of being a woman and a Latina.
I like how the women are being brave enough to go up in there and telling their stories and motivating us to do more.
We always try to be together, like together stronger.
The inspiration, because usually Latinas, they were stating that they are the ones that usually don't graduate or don't get a degree. So we want them to be able to see it as a part of their future and their journey.
This club, I think it's very amazing because like girls, we get the opportunity to have more like rights. They talk about, your future.
We always try to talk about how can we reach our dream, our goal.
It's about Latino advocacy, so trying to help Latinos find a voice, find equity, and find support in terms of their education.
I'm learning about how people come here and try to be someone, try to make their futures.
We say that Latinas define the future because the future of Latinos and really the United States is in the hands of Latina females.
I hope there's a lot more girls than there is right now and we could just get along together even more and just know a little bit more about each other.
Hopefully we get like the success rates of them graduating, them pursuing a higher education degree. I want to see that, and I want to see more teachers involved and more students.